So let's read next what is given. Shy animals. Shy means sharmile animal. Okay, when we touch them or we go near them, then they can easily run away. Okay, so there are many animals who run away when any human approaches them. They do not want to be friendly with humans. You must have seen a squirrel in a garden. When we go near to squirrels, they run away because they feel shy. If one goes near a tortoise, they retreat into the hard shell that's around their body. The rabbit is also a shy and quiet animal that freezes and stays still when it thinks that somebody has seen it. You see children, here they have given example of these three animals. First is about the squirrel, that you know that squirrel is very shy animal. Whenever we try to go near the squirrel, nearby you any tree you have seen, then on the trees these squirrels are easily available, and you can see easily squirrels in the garden also. So whenever you try to go near any squirrel, it readily runs away. Okay, it runs away very fast from that place, because it is a very shy animal. And in the same way they told us about the rabbit. Whenever rabbit knows that we have seen them or anybody see him, then what it does, it freezes means वहीं के वहीं एकदम से still वो रुक जाता है. Okay, and about the tortoise also they explained here. You know that children, tortoise has this hard shell. Okay, and if it sees or if it feels that somebody comes near to the tortoise, then it hides itself, its full body it hides under this shell, and we can only see the hard shell, or it can protect itself or its body from the other animals also, so that other animals can't eat him. Okay, so that's why it protects it also. And in this way we can say that it is also a shy animal. Means whenever it feels that anybody comes near, then it fastly go under its hard shell and cover its full body under this shell. So children, this is about these animals. So next, hedgehogs and porcupines are extremely shy animals. Means these animals, two names they have given, hedgehogs and porcupines. You can find out the name of these two animals in the Google. When you search in the Google, then you can see the picture of these animals. Okay, and these are the two animals which are extremely shy. Means ये इतने ज़्यादा शर्मीले होते हैं कि ये बिल्कुल भी ह्यूमन बीइंग के पास नहीं आते, और पास तो आना दूर की बात है. मीन्स दे कांट expose themselves in the public places, or we can say they can't come from their habitats, mainly their living places. Okay, they roll themselves into prickly balls when they feel scared. और जब इनको डर लगता है कि हमें कोई भी कुछ नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है, तो व्हाट दे डज, they roll their body prickly into prickly balls. Means their body has very sharp kind of spines. Okay, कांटेदार बॉडी होती है इनकी, और ये उस बॉल जैसे prickly मीन्स चुभने वाली जो बॉल जैसे शेप में अपने आप को वो बना लेते. So we should not tease or hurt shy animals, because in this way they will never become our friends. Means whenever you see these shy kind of animals or any kind of animal, then you don't tease them or hurt them. Tease means उनको परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए, छेड़ना नहीं चाहिए. और hurt them, hurt means कि उनको कोई भी चोट नहीं पहुंचाना चाहिए. ओके, सो दैट दे विल बी आवर फ्रेंड्स, दे रिमेन आवर फ्रेंड्स. इफ वी टीज देम और इफ वी हर्ट देम, then they will never become our friends. Okay children, so after that, now we have studied about the shy animals. Now next topic is about friendly animals. You know that many animals are friendly animals also. So some animals are friendly by nature. If you give them food, they will immediately come forward to eat it. Pigeons, cows, and dogs are generally friendly by nature. You know that monkeys also coming under this category. Whenever we offer any eatable things to these animals, then they come near you and they can easily eat up any that food item from you. Okay, so that's why we can say that they are friendly animals. Farm animals like pigs, hens, and ducks are also friendly animals. They are not afraid of people. They move around the farm. Dolphins are friendly sea creatures. You know that here they have given the name of some animals, or we can say all those animals which people keep at home or at their farms for domestication. When we domesticate those animals, these all the category of animals are friendly animals. They do not afraid from people. वो लोगों से डरते नहीं हैं. Okay, they easily come near people and take up whatever they offer them. And dolphin, you know that it is a category of fish, but it is a very friendly sea creature or sea animal. You know that dolphin is a fish and it lives in water, but there are so many games which are played by the people with the dolphin. Okay, it also play with the people also, but not all the dolphins. When they are being trained by some people, then only they used to use these animals for playing purpose, or we can say that they are not dolphins are not shy. Other fishes, you see that if you try to go near any fish or any fish, if you want to touch, they easily move away from you. But dolphins are the only fish category of fish which are friendly. They easily come near you and play with you. Okay children.